Aloha! So, how was last week for you guys with the Lionsgate portal and the super full moon? I know it was a really intense week for me. Now, this week it's a little bit easier, but we got these things called solar flares going on. So I know that yesterday my phone was spinning constantly, and a lot of my technology didn't work. And I started feeling a little bit weird this morning where I just woke up with this like bloat in my stomach. And I feel like my wires are all crossed and I can't seem to think straight. So you're gonna experience maybe some physical aspects of this week from coming down from the intense week where you're integrating. So it's really, really important that you ground yourself. So with the solar flares, it affects your water element. And so there's some things that I want to tune you into to help with this fire and water energy duality mix right now. So it's really, really important that you ground yourself as much as possible, because Mother Earth will take that away and knows how to heal. You got to get your bare feet though in grass, in sand, in water, okay, for at least 5 minutes a day. The more you can do it, the better. And the more that you can get direct sunlight with your eyes, especially early in the morning, within the first hour of waking up, where you're out there for 10 minutes, doing whatever you want, but outside, so that you can see natural light. So if you have a balcony, just get out on your balcony. Now, you also want to be in water quite a bit. Hot water, cold water. I know I did an ice bath this weekend and it was wonderful. And that'll help you just get grounded again. It'll help all your cells activate and recharge. So if you haven't tried an ice bath, look up Wim Hof ice bath, and you know what, maybe just ending your showers with cold water for like 30 seconds to a minute. It will do you wonders and really wake you up. You can also do a hot tub. I love my hot tub as well, and so I did that last night. And you can do a contrast of the two, but whatever you do, get in water. So the next thing that you can really do to help you with the water is getting a aura spray, okay? And then having the intention of the into the aura spray before. And so I will spray around me and I say, purify me now, purify me now, purify me now, or reset, or just please bring me clarity, and then I spray. You can also do something else with your aura spray, is you can set the intention to it. And you want to do this, a couple of ways you can do this, by clearing it first and then afterwards installing the energy. So I would ask my pendulum, or I just use a necklace, because a pendulum is really just a weighted object on a string, okay, if you know how to use it. And I'll show you how to do it another way, so if you don't have a pendulum. But you can ask, are there negative elements in this adversely affecting me? And so then your pendulum will swing and it'll tell you whatever it is according to your yes or no. I know that my no is counterclockwise, which is that right now, which is it's spinning. And so then I'll just let it spin, and I was like, please remove the negative effects of the from the water from me now. And so then it will spin, and I'll let it spin completely to remove all the negative elements from it. Okay. And so now I'm going to ask to install the energies that I want. So please boost this up to 100% of its pure potential for me. Please install the energies of clarity, courage, compassion, love, peace, and joy. Sometimes it'll take a while and sometimes it won't. For me, it doesn't take that long anymore because I do it so frequently. And so that it's done. And so just let it sit for a little bit so that it settles, and then you can use that spray. You can use this spray on you, on your spaces, on your pets, okay? If you don't have an aura spray, you can also use rose water. I love rose water, and that's also very purifying and cleansing as well, and I just love the smell of rose. So the next thing that you can do to help with the solar flares and grounding yourself is to diffuse a wood oil. So wood oils like pine, northern lights, black spruce, blue spruce, patchouli, my favorite, frankincense. Frankincense is actually a tree, and it's one of the highest ancient oils that you can use. And just diffuse this. This is especially good for meditating and grounding. Okay. You can also apply the oil on you, of course. I like to rub it here because this is your nervous system. Okay, and then I get it all over my palms and make sure that I have it on my fingers, and I massage my ears all along the rim. And I go slow and I breathe a little bit deeper, and I hold it at the top for like 2 seconds, and then I really let it go. And I'll go about 3 or 4 rounds, and then I'll tug on it, because your ears are your water elements in Chinese medicine. It's also the years of 0 through 13, and it's also linked to all of your body parts. So my acupuncturist tends to bleed my ear right here to help with my spleen, and here for my liver. Okay, so you want to get all of them and wake them up and get it grounded, and then pull at the bottom right here and breathe just a little bit more. And the reason is because this area here is your money bags. It's also linked to your kidneys and your adrenals, big part of your water element. And then I rub it again to make sure I get all the oils on, and I take a few deep breaths. And so if you want to, you can actually, if you don't have the essential oils, you can just do the breath with me right now to bring you back. Okay, so I want you to take a deep breath in and breathe in light. Hold at the top. Breathe out tension. Breathe in love. Breathe out fear. Breathe in trust. Breathe out anxiety. Breathe in faith. Breathe out doubt. Breathe in hope. Smile. Breathe out disappointment. And breathe in joy. Breathe out anger. So the last thing that can really help you ground is carrying crystals. So this one here is lapis, and it's great for communication and your 5th chakra. I'm wearing this mala. This is a Kali mala. It's a skull, and it's actually to represent rebirth and birth. And so this will help me ground, and I feel it all the time to help with that energy. I also love carrying this tiger's eye, and it used to be an eye roller, but it broke. But I can still use it as an eye roller, but I carry this for protection and also intuition. I close my eyes and I run it across my eyeballs, going slow and then sometimes going fast, and then holding it here and breathing. And then the other side. It's really good when you have this in the refrigerator and then doing it. It's so cooling for your eyes. So with these solar flares, I bet your eyeballs feel really hot and intense throughout the day, because I know mine do. If you have like just any other crystals, you can put that in the refrigerator as well. May you be free, may you find peace, may you have grace and courage.